video, or if you're new, welcome. So today we're just kind of driving the Luv around a little bit and just kind of enjoying it, but we are trying to figure out what that stutter is. So we did take the air filter off, and we are trying to watch the secondary doors on the carburetor to see if that's the problem, and that's why it's stuttering. And getting comfortable with the Luv because we're pretty good at going extended periods of times without even driving it because something always breaks. So I'm enjoying it. I'm driving right now. It's pretty nice. But yeah, we're just kind of driving around, doing polls, doing all sorts of stuff, just kind of enjoying it and trying to figure out what that problem is. And I also just realized that you guys actually didn't even know that the Luv was running. And I totally forgot to fill you in on that. So we got a new coil, and Kyler ended up replacing it without me. So it didn't get filmed. But the Luv has pretty much been running this entire time. So I'm sorry, but yeah. So, all right, so Kyler just put a different cap on the, I just about called it an alternator. On the distributor.
I want to do a poll to see if that helped at all, changing out the cap and stuff. And yeah, if it didn't, I might mess with timing. Maybe.
Okay.
Well,
so.
I don't know. We'll see what happens.
All right, so let's go ahead and get that done.
Tried to get to the spot where there's no dry grass because the exhaust tank is so low. Okay, yeah, no. When you sputtered it out and it kept going, the secondary air door is closed, so.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Gotcha.
So yeah, this carburetor is just too rich right now. It's too much for this engine. This engine's not powerful. It doesn't flow enough CFM. It works great in the primaries, just not the secondaries.
Yeah, and it's just, it takes so much to get it into the secondaries.
Yep.
By the time it gets there, yeah, it's just sputtering.
I kind of want to mess with timing, though, a little bit.
You can hear it sputtering. Here he comes. Ooh, smells like rubber. You have to put it in second before you put it in reverse, dude. It's the Luv. Oh, I shouldn't have broke something. Okay, you want me to come?
Is that the tire smoking? I don't think so.
It looked like it was at first, but then after you took off, it didn't. Because it wasn't coming from this side.
Because I don't have a clutch.
Really? Oh, shit. It came from this side.
Well, at least my clutch is soft right now, and I can't put it in gear.
Yeah, I could hear that. I was wondering. Well, I got it on film if you want to look. It didn't smell. I mean, maybe it did smell like clutch.
The tire rubbed through the clutch line.
Oh, damn. Holy shit. Ooh.
No, like the smoke was tire, but
yeah, the smell.
After
doesn't smell good.
when I was turning around, the tire was like, I've turned around like 3 times, and because of that, the tire rubbed on it a bunch, causing it to get a hole in it. So we got to get this thing turned around though and put up here or something.
Yeah.
The thing is, I got to pop it out of gear, and it's gonna try to roll down this ditch. Okay. 3, 2, 4. Shit. Okay. That's it. This is why I fucking love you. You're a beast. When I need you, you're always fucking, yeah. Right there, I need you to hold it. So it's right before when this starts to move. Just make sure that doesn't move, okay?
Okay. Oh god, hold on. Okay.
Is that right there?
Right here. Yeah.
Am I pulling it too far?
You were, but I got it. This is where this is the furthest it can go without moving the other one. Right here.
Let it go.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
So watch it and make sure it doesn't open the second one.
Okay.
When I do this.
No.
Okay.
It's not budging.
All right, so then we can't use the secondaries because I noticed that helped.
Okay.
Gotta push. Pop it! You okay?
Yeah. Nobody coming yet. right, guys. So I didn't film it obviously because I was a little sidetracked, but when we got to the light, I had to push it again, and I got beat up in the process.
Yeah.
I'm in pain. It's kind of embarrassing, but at least it was fast, you know.
All right, to get rid of the stutter, I took the secondaries out of the equation. I put the throttle pedal stop, the bolt that's behind the throttle pedal, out far enough to where it would only engage the primaries and not get into the secondaries.
Yeah, and it seemed to work pretty good. There was no stutter.
Yeah, we got to rejet the primaries and then bring the secondaries back in and then try to rejet those, or put new metering rods on it actually, but yeah, just do one system at a time.
Yeah. Yeah, and then as you guys saw, the clutch hydraulic hose got a hole in it. So as soon as we replace that, the lift should be fine again. And then we'll go from there. But yeah, we got to get that done. Basically, that's what's been up. And I don't want to make 10 million videos of us doing the same thing. So that's why we just hadn't really filmed it. So today it was going to be a little bit of that and mainly just messing around. But we broke something. Kyler broke something.
Yeah.
So I didn't really get to do as much driving as I thought I was going to be doing today, but that's all right. All right, so that's what happened. Oh well, we'll get it fixed here soon. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like because we would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already and you would like to, make sure you subscribe to our channel and tap the little bell so you don't miss out when we post new videos. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a good one.